Let's discuss 5 amazing health benefits of mango flower. Mango flower has been used as medicine for years. Benefit number 1 is intake of too much spicy food in summer can cause nose bleeding. Inhaling the mango flower can stop bleeding immediately. Benefit number 2 is drinking water stew of mango flowers can cure chronic dysentery. Benefit number 3 is mango flower can also cure headache. Benefit number 4, consuming mango flower beverages can treat urinary disease. Benefit number 5, powder prepared from the dried flowers of the mango tree is useful in case of chronic diarrhea.